Hello, and welcome to this segment of Preparing for Success on the ACT Math Exam with Roger Melton. Be sure to download and print the accompanying handout for this podcast. Enjoy.
This podcast is entitled The Quadratic Equation. When solving a quadratic equation on the ACT test, it is suggested that the factoring method of solution be used most often. This fact will be illustrated several times in the following examples taken from former ACT tests. Which of the following is a value of t for which the equation t minus 3 multiplied by t plus 2 equals 0? Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. T minus 3 equals 0 or t equal 3 is a solution. The factor t plus 2 set equal to 0 yields t equal a negative 2, a solution. Therefore, choose B. Which of the following is not a solution of the equation having factors x minus 3, x minus 2, x plus 3, x plus 7 equal to 0? The solutions are found by setting each factor equal to 0 and solving. Doing this yields the solutions x equal 3, 1, negative 3, and negative 7. Thus, 7 is not a solution. Choice K. For what non-zero whole number, k, does the quadratic equation x squared plus k squared x plus 2k equals 0 have exactly one real solution for x? From the quadratic formula, x equal negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, there will be exactly one solution when the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, that's this part, is equal to 0. Let a be 1, b be k squared, and c be 2k from the original equation up above. The discriminant value becomes b squared, or k to the fourth, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 2k. This is set equal to 0. K to the fourth minus 8k equals 0. Factoring, k becomes 0, and k cubed minus 8 becomes 0, so k becomes 2 as the non-zero factor. Choose H. Which of the following equations has both x equal 2 and x equal negative 3 as solutions? If x equal 2 and x equal negative 3 are solutions, then x minus 2 and x plus 3 must be factors of the left side. Thus, the equation becomes x minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. This works. Choose A. For which non-negative value of x is the expression 1 divided by 9 minus x squared undefined? The expression 1 divided by 9 minus x squared is undefined when the denominator, 9 minus x squared, is equal to 0. Solve by factoring yields 3 minus x times the quantity 3 plus x equals 0. Solving this quadratic equation yields solutions x equal 3 or x equal negative 3. The non-negative value is 3. Choose J. If x is greater than 0, or a positive value, and the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 equals 0, then x equals what? Solve by factoring. The left-hand side of the equation, 2x squared minus 5x minus 12, can be factored into the two factors, 2x plus 3 and x minus 4, set equal to 0. Solving each factor, x equal negative 3 halves, x equal 4. Because x must be positive, choose x equal 4, choice C. If the equation x plus k, quantity squared, equals x squared plus 22x plus k squared for all real numbers x, then k equals what? Expanding the left side of the given equation gives x squared plus 2kx plus k squared equal to x squared plus 22x plus k squared. The coefficients of x must be equal. 2k on the left equals 22 on the right, and k becomes 11. Choice A. The equation x squared minus 10x plus k equals 0 has only one solution for x. What is the value of k? If a quadratic equation has only one solution, then its factored form must be x minus c times x minus c equals 0, where c is the solution. Multiplying the left two factors together, we end up with x squared minus 2cx plus c squared equals 0. This is equivalent to x squared minus 10x plus k equals 0. Therefore, negative 2c equals negative 10, or c equals 5. Because k equals c squared, then k must be equal to 25. Choose E.
Thanks for listening. We hope you found this podcast segment helpful in preparing you for the ACT. Please continue to the next podcast.